Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining about press forging operation. So in this figure, press forging operation is shown. In press forging operation, only closed dies are used. This is lower die and this is upper die. The lower die is attached with anvil and the upper die is attached with called ram, and the ram is attached with press machine. The press machine creates a slow squeezing action to shape the hot metal. This is hot metal. When the machine is started, the ram is slowly moves toward downwards and creates a slow squeezing action, and for this action this hot metal gets a shape, which shape is engraved in the closed die. Slow squeezing action penetrates completely through the metal. Press forging produces more uniform deformation and flow. This process is used for large pieces or thicker products, because in press machine we can create huge impact of load. The load is gradually applied on the hot metal, so the penetration or flow of metal is very smooth and we get a highly finished product. So this is totally machine operated. No force or pressure is applied by man, only machine is used. So this is the press forging operation and the working principle of press forging. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.